Hello, in this video I will show you how to qualify for Rabby Airdrop. Now, it's a very easy process. Firstly, open your application. Then, you will find a point section at the very bottom right hand side corner. Just simply click on that. Then, over here, the first thing that you have to do is you have to verify your account, so you will get a pop-up like this. Now, what you have to do is click on sign in and complete your verification process. Now, right over here, you have to just simply sign in and create your account. But as you can see, my current account is a watch only address, so I cannot directly sign in. But over here, you have to do a sign in process and then you can start using Rabby Wallet Airdrop. Now, how to qualify for that? So this is the first step where you have to actually sign in. Then the next step is you have to just simply earn points. So as you can see right over here, you will have a lot of features like refer to new users, you will get points, swap in Rabby Wallet, you will get points, and then you can do gas top-ups to earn more points. And right over here, as you can see, there are many people who have already achieved a lot of points. So that's basically what you have to do is, you have to just use the application, you have to refer it to your friends and contacts, and then just do small tasks inside the application to earn Rabby points. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.